In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your security token in Salesforce. Whether you're setting up a new integration or simply need to secure your connection with Salesforce, locating your security token is an essential task. I'm here to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident and informed. Let's start by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. Once you've logged into your Salesforce account, you will find yourself on the familiar home interface, a starting point for many of your Salesforce tasks. It's always good to begin from this location, as it allows us to easily navigate to the areas we need to access. Next, we need to locate your profile. If you take a look at the right-hand corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this icon gives you quick access to your personal settings and options. Select View Profile from this drop-down menu to proceed to your detailed profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Settings option. It's usually located on the left side of the screen under a gear icon. Click on this to open a whole array of personal settings. This section provides you with numerous customization and security options, which are vital for managing how you interact with Salesforce. Now, within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left sidebar and find Reset My Security Token. Clicking here will take you to a page dedicated to your security token needs. Let's pause here for a moment to understand exactly what a security token is and why it's important. The Salesforce security token is essentially a unique authentication key used along with your password for API and third-party integrations. It adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that even if someone knows your password, they still cannot access your account from outside Salesforce without this special token. With a clear understanding of its significance, proceed by clicking on Reset Security Token. This action will generate a new security token. It's important to note that generating a new token will invalidate your old one, meaning you'll need to update any integrations that were using the previous token. This step ensures that only you have access to your account's token at any given time. After clicking the button, your new security token will be sent to your registered email address. So, head over to your email and find the message from Salesforce. Remember to store this token in a secure location, as it is now a critical part of your account security. And there you have it. Retrieving your Salesforce security token is as simple as these few steps. Always remember to safeguard your token, just like your password, and change it regularly to maintain optimal security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides.